Metamorphosis doesn't happen overnight. It takes place gradually, from egg to butterfly. Metamorphosis was the best time of my life, under the mandolin moonlight. When I'm old and gray and rocking in my rocking chair, I'll still hear the sound of crickets humming in the air. They were singing a hot summer evening tune. They were singing under the mandolin moonlight. I was born in snug and warm. My cozy little shell protected me from harm. One day I became a larva with an appetite, under the mandolin moonlight. Each and every bite, I turned into a pupa. I slept all day and night. I dreamt my mother said, when you hear the crickets sing, wake up and fly with your wings. And then I heard the crickets sing. By them, dancing on the moonbeams. They were dancing to the music of the mandolin strings. If I could freeze frame time, I would do it. If I could reach into the past, I'd put my wing right through it and grab that moment. It was special and I knew it, under